A quick disclosure, I earn a commission when you click on the link in the description of this video and form your LLC with Bizee. Starting a limited liability company in Texas is a smart move for entrepreneurs. It's like setting up a special shield for your personal stuff from business troubles and giving you less headache during tax time. The Lone Star State makes this process straightforward, but there's an easier way with Bizee. Let's walk through these steps to start your LLC and see how Bizee can help you at each stage. And by the way, if you would like to sign up with Bizee, then make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. What is a Texas LLC? A Texas LLC offers a protective shield for business owners, allowing them to run their businesses with flexibility and security. Owners known as members can collectively manage the business or designate a select few to do so. Texas LLCs accommodate various setups, catering to individual entrepreneurs, teams, or specific professions, offering a range of options for business structuring. This setup shields members from personal liability for business debts and provides peace of mind along with the freedom to tailor the business to their preferences. Overall, Texas LLCs provide an attractive choice for those seeking to start a business with both protection and adaptability. Texas has a bunch of special offers and deals to help businesses grow and do well, but there's some rules to get these deals. One cool offer is called the Texas Enterprise Zone Program, or EZP for short. Taxes are like fees that businesses have to pay to the government, so getting a break on them can save a lot of money. To get the special deal in Texas, businesses need to do two things: spend money on improving their company or community and give jobs to people who need them most. This means creating new jobs or keeping existing ones, especially for those who struggle to find work, like people with little money, those in area with few jobs, or veterans. Texas is basically saying, help our people and we'll help you save money. Benefits of a Texas LLC. Forming an LLC in Texas offers significant advantages, including personal liability protection, which shields your personal assets from business debts and obligations. Tax flexibility is another benefit, as LLCs typically enjoy pass-through taxation, avoiding the double taxation experienced by some corporations. Additionally, LLCs offer operational flexibility, with fewer formalities and requirements than corporations, providing more freedom in management and business operations. Now, let's dive into the steps on how to start your Texas LLC. Step number 1, name your LLC. Picking a name for your LLC isn't just fun, it's also serious business. Your name must be unique in Texas to avoid confusion and help your business stand out. Make sure it includes words like limited liability company or LLC to show what type of business it is. Avoid using names that sound like they're from the government or suggest you're offering certain services like banking or legal help unless you're allowed to do so. You can use online tools like the Texas Secretary of State's Entity Search tool to brainstorm names and check if they're available. It's also a good idea to grab a matching domain name to help people find your business online. Here are some tips to help you pick a great name. Check if your name works online. Make sure the name you pick can also be your website address, and if not, you might need to tweak it or buy the domain from someone else. Stand out with a unique name. Think of names like Exxon that are different and memorable as they get better legal protection. Common names might not get as much protection. Make it catchy and simple. Choose a name that's easy to remember, say, and spell, and keeping it short helps people remember it better. Avoid personal names and be creative. Try not to use your own name or location in your business name, and avoid plain descriptions of what you do, as these might not stand out. The Bizee solution. Use Bizee's tool, Business Name Generator, to find the perfect name for your LLC. They help you check name availability and comply with Texas naming rules, simplifying the process. Trademark search and registration. A trademark is different from a business name. A trademark is a legal way to protect your business name, logo, and slogan, which are key to your brand and reputation. Before you can protect your brand with a trademark, you need to check if the name or logo is already taken by searching through a database. If your chosen mark is available, you can then register it to claim exclusive rights to use it for your business activity. Bizee provides expert guidance from trademark attorneys and conducts thorough searches to ensure your trademark is available. Once availability is confirmed, Bizee handles all the preparation and filing of your trademark application with the U.S. Patents and Trademark Office. Texas. The service costs $299 plus a government filing fee, which varies based on the number of classes of goods or services you want to protect. Step number 2, provide an official business address for your LLC. Your LLC needs a physical address in Texas, which could be an office, your home, or another physical location. This address is where all official correspondence will be sent. For those preferring not to use their home address or seeking a more flexible solution, virtual mailbox services offer a convenient alternative. These services provide a physical address for your business and handle mail reception and scanning, offering privacy and convenience. Now, if you prefer not to list your home address or don't have a physical location, Bizee offers virtual mailbox services. This gives your LLC a professional address and keeps your personal address private. Step number 3, hire a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is an individual or a business that agrees to receive legal papers on behalf of your LLC. This is a critical role as the agent ensures you don't miss important legal notices. The agent must have a physical Texas address and be available during business hours. You can serve as your own agent, appoint someone you trust, or use a professional service. This flexibility allows you to choose the best option for your business needs. Bizee can act as your registered agent, offering free service for the first year when you form your LLC with them. This ensures that your LLC complies with Texas law without adding to your startup costs. Step number 4, file the Texas Certificate of Formation. Filing the Certificate of Formation is a key step in making your LLC official. This document includes vital information about your LLC, such as its name, registered agent, and whether it's managed by members or managers. The Form 205, is available online and carries a $300 filing fee. Be thorough when completing this form, as it establishes the legal foundation of your business. For businesses established outside Texas but wishing to operate within the state, the application for registration of a foreign limited liability company, Form 304, must be filed with a fee of $750. Bizee takes care of preparing and filing your Certificate of Formation. They ensure that your business name is available and handle all the paperwork so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. You only need to pay the Texas state fee. Step number 5, obtain a Texas LLC Employer Identification Number, EIN. The EIN is akin to a social security number for your business, crucial for tax purposes, opening a bank account, and hiring employees. The IRS provides it free of charge, and the application process is quick, offering immediate issuance of the number. Bizee guides you through obtaining your EIN from the IRS for free, simplifying this essential step. Now, after establishing your LLC, ensure it's ready for day-to-day operations by setting up a business bank account with your EIN, obtaining necessary permits and licenses, and considering appropriate insurance coverage. While Texas LLCs don't file annual reports, they are subject to a state franchise tax, underscoring the importance of staying informed about ongoing tax obligations. Detailed costs. The primary cost of starting your LLC is the $300 filing fee for the Certificate of Formation. However, additional expenses can include domain registration, registered agent services, and any required permits or licenses, potentially totaling between $100 and $1,000. It's important to budget for these initial costs and ongoing expenses to ensure your LLC remains compliant and operates smoothly. Additional benefits with Bizee. After your LLC is set up, Bizee continues to offer support. They provide lifetime support for your business, compliance alerts to keep you informed of key filing dates, automated registered agent renewal to ensure ongoing compliance, text and email notifications about your order status. Bizee's approach to LLC formation is designed to make the process as easy as possible for you. With Bizee, you get the help you need to start your LLC in Texas, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on navigating legal requirements. So, starting an LLC in Texas is a smart choice for business owners looking for protection and flexibility. The process, while straightforward, involves several important steps from naming your LLC to filing the right paperwork. With Bizee, you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. They take care of the paperwork, compliance, and legal details, all for the cost of the state fee. Bizee makes forming your Texas LLC easy and stress-free. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up with Bizee, you can use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.